Hi guys, Benan here, property specialist of Megaworld at the Fort. Sabi dito ay maganda lang daw ang Megaworld Corporation or condo kapag bago. Well, that's true naman kasi pag mga bago naman talaga maganda. But meron tayong tinatawag na HOA or association fees na binabayaran every month. This will ensure na your property is good, you're in good in shape, and then the amenities are well maintained. So yun yung mga binabayaran natin to make sure lang yung property natin hindi naluluma, no? So rest assured naman, with Megaworld Condos, you can check out yung mga properties namin in One Uptown Residence, sa BGC, and ganun din sa mga bago naming condo like Uptown Arts, Uptown Modern will be, and the Park McKinley West. Actually, yung mga price naman ng association due will go around 100 to 120 pesos per square meter. So it depends on the size ng unit nyo. Mas mura actually to maintain a condo compare sa house and lot. Kasi sa mga house po, meron kayong i-maintain sarili nyo na. Kayo pa yung mag-aayos ng bubong, pag may leakage, o kaya pag may pool kayo, napakamahal mag-maintain ng pool. Pero with condos, everything is well maintained na and preserved. So, bago or luma yung condo mo, that will make sure na maganda yung property mo. See? Even the balls agree.